California dog-faced butterfly, Zerina iridaceae, is the official state insect of the state of California. The state legislature adopted this butterfly in 1972 to represent the state. This species is found only in California. The larvae feed on false indigo, a member of the pea family, that is found in oak woodlands and on the north side of Southern California mountains. This butterfly moves very rapidly and is hard to catch and to photograph. It is also hard to see the dog face on the male upper wing, since they do not rest with their wings open, and they move very quickly. The female is all yellow or pale green with a black dot in the forewing. This species is often seen sipping nectar from thistle plants. The flight times for the dogface are from February to October. This is the California dogface, Zerina iridaceae.